Welcome back to Bazaar Morning Call. So we wake up this morning to a lot of positive cues. The Nifty had a very good session yesterday. The global cues are positive this morning. And you have big, triggers like TCS numbers that will come in post-market hours. Our research team is here to give you the list of top 10 stocks as we begin a brand new day of trade. Let's kick it off with Ekta talking about Cipla this morning and why you should keep it on your radar. Ekta, hi.
Thanks for that, Sonia. Well, there is a Mint report indicating that, and CNBC-TV18 has not verified this report independently, that a family rift is clouding the possible $7 billion sale of Cipla. Some family members have questioned the deal pricing of around 1,200 rupees per share and questions on exiting what is an 8-decade-old business. Any sale may take longer than anticipated as per the report, and consensus is yet to emerge within the Hamid family. Third-generation Cipla promoters, apparently, according to the report, are not keen to exit unless there is a substantial premium offered. Sophie Ahmed, who is the sister of YK Hamid as well as MK Hamid, Samina Ahmed, who is the niece of YK Hamid, together own around 7.93% stake, are not in favor of the deal. There was a 2017 family pact which was approved by SEBI, which grants a first right of refusal to all Cipla promoter family members, and that's possibly one of the points of contention, and there could be some delays in the deal as per the Mint report.
All right, thanks Ekta for that. Well, Bank of Baroda should be in focus as well. They've hit a hurdle in terms of onboarding of new customers online. Abhishek is here with details. Abhishek.
Well, Prashant, to begin with, RBI has asked Bank of Baroda to stop onboarding of their customers onto the Bob World. Now, just to alert our viewers, it's a mobile application of Bank of Baroda which is called the Bob World. So, RBI's action is based on material supervisory concerns that they have observed during onboarding of new customers onto that platform. So, they have directed the bank to ensure that onboarded customers who are onboarded do not face any disruption on account of this suspension that Bank of Baroda has to do. Bank of Baroda also issued a clarification wherein they mentioned that further onboarding of customers on Bob World will be subject to strengthening of processes. They will work closely with RBI to address the concerns at the earliest. They do not expect this action to have a material impact on the bank's overall business momentum that is there. Just to alert our viewers, different analysts have given the numbers. I've combined all of them. So they have mentioned that via Bob World, Bank of Baroda sources 98% of saving accounts, 91% of current accounts, 58% of fixed deposits, 42% of recurring deposits, 61% of credit cards, and 89% of personal loans. So this disruption can have some impact on Bank of Baroda. Back to you.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Abhishek. Well, let's hop across to Sudarshan. He continues to remain on top of the MCX story. Sudarshan, morning.
Good morning. Yes, our news break regarding platform's live date is confirmed. MCX has announced October 16 as go live date of the new platform that is being serviced by TCS. And for the same, MCX will conduct mock trading on October 15, in which members can participate, validate setup and connection. Remember, SEBI's technical advisory had approved the shift on Sunday, that was October 8. For reference, I would mention that MCX has the agreement with 63 moons, and they will continue to have till December and use it as a backup if needed. Besides this, CFMA's petition before Madras High Court has been pending for disposal, and that case is likely to be heard on November 29.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Sudarshan. Well, let's move on and talk about some more stocks that are in the news. Surbhi is here to give us that list. Surbhi, good morning.
Good morning. The first one on my list is Z Entertainment. Now, IDBI trusteeship has filed an appeal in NCLAT against the August 10th NCLT order in the Z-Sony case. The NCLT order on August 10th had approved the Z-Sony merger and dismissed all the lenders' objections. The next is Finolex cables. Now, this is an ET report. CNBC has not independently verified any of these reports. The legal battle between Prakash and Deepak Chhabaria has moved to Supreme Court yet again, where promoter Prakash Chhabaria's led organization Orbit Electricals has moved to Supreme Court to challenge the non-disclosure of AGM voting results. Now, Orbit Electricals had got the approval from Supreme Court to vote in the company's AGM on September 29th. In that AGM, the company was going to consider the reappointment of the executive chairman Deepak Chhabaria as the whole-time director. but the company did not disclose the results of this resolution, and that's exactly what Orbit Electrical is now challenging in Supreme Court. And lastly, Ugrow Capital is on my radar. They came up with a Q2 business update. AUM was up 73% on a year-on-year basis. The net loan origination was up 34% at 1470 crores, and the collection efficiency improved by 80 basis points on a sequential basis.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Surbhi. Well, Vivek joins us to tell us some more stocks in the news. Morning, Vivek.
Well, good morning. Quite a few stocks on our radar on the back of news flow. First on our list, Religare Enterprises. Very interesting report by Mint today morning. What they say is that the board of the company has gone ahead and commissioned an independent valuation report from 2-3 companies, as they believe that the valuation of the company is much more than what the open offer that was given by the Berman family on September 25th actually values the company at. Remember, the Berman family had made an open offer to acquire up to 26% stake in the company at 235 rupees a share, which was at a significant discount to the current market price of September 24th. The next stock on our radar is Lakshmi Organics. The QIP has been closed successfully. The company has raised close to 259 crore at an issue price of 269 rupees per share. Key participants in the QIP, some good names there: ICICI Mutual Funds. Some of the other names include 361 Equity Opportunity Fund. Society General Wealth has participated in this particular QIP. Two other stocks on the radar on the back of operational updates. Cement company NCL Industries, good numbers coming in there. Cement dispatches up 11% on a year-on-year basis. 6.69 lakh metric ton is what the company has managed to dispatch in Q2. Cement boards dispatches up 9%, and the RMC production as well as sales is up 50% on a year-on-year basis. And lastly, Shiva Cement, some very positive news flow coming in over there. The company has received the consent to operate from the State Pollution Control Board, Odisha, so the company can go ahead and increase its capacity, and this particular increase in capacity will take the company's production capacity to 1.5 million tons per annum from the current 0.66 million tons per annum.
All right, thanks a lot for that, Vivek. Here's a quick recap of our top stocks with positive news flow. There's MCX, Ugrow Capital, Religare Enterprises, Lakshmi Organics, NCL Industries, and Shiva Cement. While stocks with negative news flow, there's Bank of Baroda, Cipla, Z Entertainment, and Finolex Cable. But